tech scene is not without its share of weekly controversies, from Kenya cracking down on TikTok over child exploitation last week, and a Nigerian court slamming Domino's Pizza with a 3 million naira fine for privacy breaches. There's a lot to unpack. Welcome to Tech News on TechNews. I'm Datom George. Let's go. A BBC investigation has uncovered cases of child exploitation on TikTok live streams in Kenya, prompting swift action from the Communication Authority of Kenya. Published on March 3, 2025, the report by BBC revealed that minors were engaging in sexualized live streams, with TikTok profiting from virtual gifts sent by viewers. In response, the Communication Authority of Kenya has ordered the immediate removal of all content involving child exploitation and has launched a formal investigation into TikTok's alleged violations. This has raised concerns about TikTok's moderation system. How did such breaches go unnoticed? The platform is now under pressure to provide answers. A Nigerian court has ruled against Domino's Pizza in a landmark data privacy case, ordering the company to pay 3 million naira in damages. The lawsuit filed by accuses Araka accused Jumia Food, now defunct, and Eat and Go, the owners of Domino's Pizza and Cold Stone in Africa, of breaching at least 11 data privacy laws. Araka repeatedly opted out of marketing messages but continued to receive them, leading to this legal action. Nigerian companies now need to rethink how they handle customers' data because previously, these data breaches went unchecked, but now people are getting wiser. MTN Nigeria CEO Carl Toriola, along with other executives, is facing trial over alleged copyright infringement. The Nigerian Copyright Commission (NCC) has accused MTN Nigeria of unlawfully using the musical works of Nigerian artist Malik Moye in its Ring Back Tune program without authorization. The case has attracted the attention of Nigeria's Attorney General Lateef Fagbemi and has now been postponed to May 15, 2025. As one of Africa's largest telecom providers, MTN is under intense scrutiny, with the outcome of this case potentially setting a precedent for copyright enforcement in the continent. Zimbabwe's small businesses and female entrepreneurs are set to benefit from a £20 million financial package from Stanbic Bank and EIB Global. The funding will support job creation and economic empowerment, particularly benefiting women-led enterprises, which make up nearly half of Zimbabwe's SME sector. This program comes in time and aligns with the momentum of the 2025 International Women's Day celebrations, Accelerate Action. A South African court has dealt a blow to Vodacom's expansion plans by dismissing the company's attempt to pool spectrum with another telecom operator. The ruling prevents Vodacom from increasing its network coverage through shared spectrum, which is a key resource in the telecom industry. The company has accused the Independent Communications Authority of South Africa of secretly and unlawfully approving spectrum pooling for its competitors while denying its own request, thus giving them an unfavored position in the sector. That wraps on the biggest tech stories shaking up Africa in the past week. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget that you can visit www.techpressure.com for updates on the full stories. I'm Datom George, stay innovative, and I'll see you on Monday next week. Bye-bye.